language that says that what it means is that if you are where you are not, you will want to be in that place. That's just natural for us human. Okay, why I'm saying this is that I keep seeing a lot of videos where especially Nigerians living abroad, you hear them saying that we don't know what God have done for us. We have help. We have help. I've seen that videos on YouTube. I've seen them on Facebook. In fact, almost every platform. You will hear them always say this thing. Yet, most of them ran away from home. They ran away and went abroad. And the abroad is very sweet. Okay, just look at. You people should see now. See, this is my tomato that I put inside my freezer. The top have started getting spoiled. Bring the second bucket for me. Baba, it's too heavy. What? Please, bring the second bucket for me. Fast. Bring it for me. Biko, you and your brother should carry it together. Oh, Chidi, bring gas for me down. Okay, see what I'm doing now. I'm going to try to salvage this thing. I will wash it again. I know those of you on Facebook, you people know when I actually bought this tomato. The day I bought it, I did live. Okay, now they want that money to waste. I cannot save it. I cannot help my life because I'm living in Nigeria. Yet some people will come and tell me that we don't know what God has done for us. Yet they ran away. They went abroad. But yet we don't know what God has done for us. Every person should just be grateful wherever he finds himself. And if you're not happy where you are, you look for a better place where you will be happy, because happiness is core. We have to just learn to be grateful. Any place we find ourselves, because no place is easy. Okay, see this my tomato now. Almost everything want to see fine tomato. I have to throw those ones that have started spoiling away now. Then I'll look for how I'm going to salvage the tomato by parboiling it now. Now, I wanted this tomato fresh so that whenever I pick it up, it will be fresh. But now I can't use it again. I have to parboil it. After parboiling it, I'll go and grind it. After grinding it, the ones that are already blended that is in that freezer, I'm still going to pack all of them and cook them. And no, I won't fry them. If I fry them, anytime there is light, I put them back in the freezer. It's going to spoil. Yes, it's going to spoil because of the oil that is inside. You know, it's oil. Oil doesn't like water. Do you understand me? So I can't fry them. It will spoil faster. But if I cook them, I'll just add water. Yes. No, I'm not going to pour oil. I don't want oil to touch it. If I cook them and put them back, I'll keep cooking it morning and night. I'll cook it and make sure it boils. Then I will now, whenever there is light, if it's tomorrow or next tomorrow that Nigeria decide that we'll have light, I will now put them back in the freezer. Do you understand me? So this is Nigeria for you. This is how we are suffering in this country, but we are happy. We are okay with it. Those of us that cannot go out, we are okay with it. We are not complaining. We are managing it because we know we cannot run away. It's our home. But if you have the opportunity and you feel that you don't have peace of mind here, then you run to where you have peace of mind. That's just the truth. You run to where you have peace of mind. Okay, that's not the only thing. No. See generator. We don't have lights for 3 days. See generator. The fuel now is very, very expensive. Fuel is 1,400. You cannot even run it. I know some of you will say, abroad, fuel is even much more expensive. That's what you people used to say most of the time. Abroad, fuel is even much more expensive. Baba, set this camera to be moving so that I can hold this one that is not moving. Okay? You people will say that, but you people are not gauging how much you earn. You people used to earn, when we convert that your money, it's in millions. This thing is filming. Oh, focus it here so it can be filming me. When you convert that your money that is in dollars, is in millions paying you. But our minimum wage here is 70,000. Our minimum wage cannot even feed us. We have to survive with other things. That's why you see me. I'm a mushroom farmer. I'm a soap maker. I'm a civil servant. I'm a businesswoman. I'm a YouTuber, content creator. Do you know how I juggle my life? I am almost living life of a cat. 9 lives just to make ends meet for myself, because I've seen that if I don't live 9 lives, nothing will come out. So I've decided to turn to a cat and live nine lives. Nine almost many streams of income. Any place I see that is available to make money, I go and make it. Why most times, even though I understand, I only have 12 minutes here. I only have 12 minutes here right now to 12% battery. Before you know, now my phone will off. Then you come and tell me that we don't know what God have done for us. It is you that is living, even know what God have done for you. You people living there, you don't know what God have done for you. You come and be telling us we don't know what God have done for us. We know what God have done for us and what God have done for you. God has blessed you. For you to even have the opportunity to run away, God has blessed you already. So it is you that don't even know what God have done for you. But anyway, we all should give glory to God, because whatever reason God have to make it easy for us to go to where we are, we should thank God, because it's not easy anywhere. It's not easy anywhere at all. At least you people should thank God, because that your minimum wage, when you finish working, you can even save money that whenever you are okay, you come back to Nigeria and look for a very good business and invest it. Here, you can't even save that money easily. You can't. I'm telling you, they will stay in that abroad. When they want to buy land, they buy 10 plots. When they want to buy house, they go to Lekki, go to VI. Like you that is here, can you afford? Are you not working more than them? To say the truth, as I am like this, I am more hardworking than a lot of people living abroad. I am more hardworking than them, Makachi, than a lot of you people living abroad. But you have the opportunity. God has blessed you. Enjoy your blessing. Some of them will, especially when it comes to this child care, that's where they used to complain a lot. This child care thing, nobody to help them. Me that I am here, I'm living in Nigeria, nobody is helping me. Is anybody helping me, babe?
No, not only you now.
Only me running it.
I be the mama.
I gave birth like this. Nobody to even help. I had a very big tear. Nobody to help me. My mom was very sick. Some of you know that even my mom has passed away last 6 months. 6 months this month now. That's why my hair is like this. I am supposed to cut it because I'm just keeping it to just use it for memory for her. My mom has passed away last 6 months. My mom was seriously sick all through my delivery. Nobody is helping me. I'm the one most times that we come, carry my baby, bat my baby in pains. I'll bath my baby. My mother-in-law, due to my father-in-law is sick, she can't come. She's taking care of him. Then you people that don't know what God have done for you will be telling us here that we don't know what God have done for us. Everybody should just be grateful for where he is. You think if I have opportunity, I'll come and sit down here and sit down in this Nigeria and be suffering like this? I'll go and suffer, use my life savings and buy tomato. See tomato. You people should come and see the tomato. See it. See it is spoiling. I have to salvage it now. No light for 3 days, 4 days, no light. Can you people survive without a light over there in abroad? Please, everybody, nobody make me vex. Everybody should be grateful with where they are, because each time I see that video, Nigerians living in Nigeria don't know what God have done for them. We don't know what God have done for us. Is this place not your country? Run and come back now. Since this place is very, very sweet, just pack your load from that abroad and come back here. But anyway, let us all be grateful, because the worst thing that will happen to you fast, that will take you fast, is when you are not happy. When you are not happy with where you are, that one will finish you faster than anything. You have to learn to be happy and do what you do with happiness, because no matter where you are, there are challenges everywhere. No matter where you are, life is not easy in any place. But there are some places that is easy, and bet me, Nigeria is not that place. Please, oh, before my phone will off, it's already 11%. No light to charge it. I have to turn off data mode so that I'll be able to I have to turn off data mode so that I'll be able to receive at least calls before the end of the day. So this is the level I am now. Till any day they decide to favor us. This is the same light we are paying for. We are paying for this light. They said if you are in band A, they put us in band A. Band A, we are supposed to be getting 20 hours of light. We are paying for it, though. It's not free. That's 20 hours of light that they say that band A is supposed to be getting. They are charging us heavily for it because we are in band A. But we can't even see the light of band F. Do they have band F? We can't even see the quantity of light of band F. But we are paying for band A in this country. And there is nothing you can do about it. There is nothing. See the person that won election, Peter Obi. What did he do about it? Nothing. There's nothing you can do about it. In fact, when you go to court will tell you that, in fact, that's your band, band A, that you are supposed to be in band nothing, in band 0. It will tell you to your face, knowing fully well that there is no light. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Everybody should just know that there is no place that is sweet. The person that you are seeing have it all may be crying too. Everybody should know that there is no place that is sweet. Just be grateful. You that have one, be grateful for one, because there are people that have 0. That's just life. We all have to learn these things, because when we learn it, it will be better for all of us. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy watching, you know what to do. All right, bye-bye. Love you.